What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters. Been summing everything up today. Got all my lights and everything working. Welded 2 tubes across the top so that way I can brace my ladder and my dolly, and put other stuff up there. I've been getting it loaded, rewired it. Got a new wiring harness set up, full 9. Did all that good stuff. I'm gonna go buy me a drop hitch though, cause this is a straight one. And I think I'm gonna get a 6 or 8. I'm gonna see. Since mine is lifted a little bit, it ain't lifted like a lot, but I think it'll pull better if it was dropped, cause it's kind of tilted up when I left the first time. So I'm gonna drop it down. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably go get a 6 or 8. I'm gonna see whichever one they got. I think a 8 is for a real good lift. See how I say here. When it shows you how you want to do it from the ground. I never really paid no attention to that, but that's what I'm out here doing now, man. I done pretty much been cleaning everything up. You see, got everything moved and situated and stored up. Get ready to make this next move. Only got a couple small things left to get rid of. So that's what I've been doing today, man. Utilizing my time, working around the house, killing a couple birds in one stone. Hold on.